Dry throat and dry nasal passages that invite colds and flu? Cracked lips? Dry, itchy skin? A house that just doesn't seem comfortable in the winter? You don't want that. What you do want is the PureGuardian Ultrasonic Humidifier. It guards against problems caused by dry air in the home, makes life pleasant for those with cold, flu, and dust allergies, and can even make your home feel warmer in the winter. So why the PureGuardian Ultrasonic Humidifier? Because it's an ultrasonic humidifier, it's ultra quiet, perfect for all, including sleeping children. Ultrasonic technology immediately begins to disperse a fine, even mist, creating a comfortable environment quickly. And ultrasonic technology eliminates evaporating filters, and wicks that must be cleaned or replaced are very expensive and breed mold and mildew. Something else you'll like is Silver Clean technology. It fights the growth of slimy mold and mildew on the surface of the water tank, a common problem with other humidifiers. Did you know that silver is known to kill up to 650 species of viruses and bacteria on contact? Now a quick walk around the unit. First, you fill the tank with cool tap water. If you live in a hard water area, distilled water would be better. Here's the power dial. Choose cool or slightly warm humidification. Adjust the mist from low to high depending on room size. There's a helpful low water indicator. And here's the nightlight switch. We designed this unit to look great day and night. Yes, a PureGuardian ultrasonic humidifier keeps the air at just the right moisture level. Even better, it guards against air that's uncomfortable and air that can trigger problems, especially during dry winter months. Thanks for caring, and thanks for watching.